On today's video, I'm going to show you how to lower the spare on your Ford Transit. Got a flat, what a bummer. Open up passenger side door, underneath the seat. Grab this plastic piece, pull this off, and then pull this Velcro strap down and get this out of here. Okay, once you got the Velcro straps out of the way, this whole little thing should come out of here. These tools right here, these metal rods, and then you have your jack right here, and then you have your tire iron up here, which you have to kind of pull down and out like so. Then open up your back doors, and here on the floorboard you'll see this plug in between the two doors on the floor in the back. Sometimes it's missing. Take this and pluck it up with your fingernail if you can. If not, get a butter knife or a flathead screwdriver and pry that up. Once that cap is removed, you can see down here there's another little mechanism that you need to deal with. This is when you would take your tire iron, lug wrench, whatever you want to call it, and go to the square end of it right here and insert that down until it connects into that provision down there. Then once you have that connected, you'll start cranking it counterclockwise. You could also stick one of these in here to help you crank it if you wanted to, but it's definitely easier with two hands. Check out my two-hand method. Just like that. Hold it here, crank it up here at the top, like so. When you start cranking this thing down, it's going to start to lower the spare from underneath the vehicle. It's held in there with this mechanical winch mechanism and this little end piece down here, which I'll show you in a second. But what you want to do is crank this until it will not crank anymore. Don't crank it until it hits the ground and stop. Crank it until you cannot crank it anymore, because you're going to need all the slack on that cable to pull the wheel from underneath the back. Once you crank it to the point to where this thing stops, then you know you've gotten it cranked down enough to where you can reach in, grab it like this, and pull it out. Now, what you're going to have to do is grab this little collar piece right here and slide that up the cable. And then it has like a bicycle brake little mechanism on here, right? So take the cable, which you need slack for, pull it this way, over, and then wiggle it and slide that eyelid out of there, okay? Then you have to go to this one, which is sometimes rusted. You'll need a pair of pliers and some WD-40 if you can find any, if you're not, just on the side of the road with no tools. But if not, you can sometimes hit this if it's really rusty with your lug wrench, and that'll break it loose. But we're down here in Florida, so this one's probably good, which it is. So we're just gonna unscrew it like so, lefty loosey, and that'll just unscrew it from like a little lug stud that's on that bracket. Once we get that unscrewed, put that out of the way, we can pull our wheel out and set it there. There you go. If you're not going to put your flat wheel that you're taking off the vehicle back underneath, take this, grab that cable again, and you're going to put that piece right back in there like that. Push it in there, bring it to the top side, slide the little collar down over it, grab this thing and screw it on there. Now if you're going to put your flat underneath because you don't have room or whatever reason you want it underneath, just put the wheel back in the same way, screw this back on the same way, and crank it back up. And then of course, I'm sure you can realize that all we got to do now is crank this back up. Always remember to set the emergency brake. This little lever here, pull that, you'll hear the electronic brake kick on, and then up here it'll say brake in red letters. That lets you know your parking brake is set, so the vehicle will not fall off of the jack when you're jacking the vehicle up. Tire on your Ford Transit. I hope this video helped you out. If you need to know how to change the tire on this vehicle, head over to my video, how to change a tire on a Ford Transit. See you guys on the next video. Bye.